speaker is the founder of the American Friends of Balochistan in Washington, D.C., Ahmar Mustikhan, who's a friend, also a member of Interfaith International, has been speaking before the Human Rights Council here in Geneva, and he will give his own impression of this problem.
Thank you, Dr. Charles Graves. Geneva, I am told, can be a roguish city, and I believe it. I mean, someone who said he is a Baloch called me twice this past winter using two different names. And when I saw him in Geneva, he had a third name. To this day, I do not have any clue what is his right name. Maybe it is for this reason rogue states like Pakistan have so much clout in this beautiful city. Can you believe me? When I came to book this venue for our press conference, there was anxiety about the behavior of the Pakistani mission. I told the management here, very pointedly, the Pakistan mission is not invited and will not be allowed to create trouble. This is Europe, considered to be far more open and liberal than even the USA. Here most dealings are done directly. And if you do not believe me, go to the Rue de Berlin after sunset. But here in this city, the Pakistani goons are trying to silence the voice of Baloch dissent. Is an affront for the world community. Just the other day, I was having dinner with Mehran Baloch, and agents of the infamous agency, the Inter-Services Intelligence, was taking our pictures. What is this nonsense? Is this not a violation of the openness that Europe is famed for? Then this whole problem that has been created for the Interfaith International at the UN Human Rights Council. In Balochi, we say, I did not catch the thief caught me. I appeal to the civilized nations not to let the freedom of expression be muzzled in any way in the UN Human Rights Council. The independence of Balochistan is a reality to which the world community can no longer close its eyes. It is not a separatist movement in any way, for Balochistan was never a part of Pakistan. And this word, Pakistan, did not exist in the Urdu dictionary until 1940. I have here in this room a young man, Noordin Mangal, who lost his two uncles in two different political periods for the same goal. His uncle from his father's side was Mir Asadullah Mangal. He was abducted in 1976, and to this day, his body has not been recovered. His second uncle from his mother's side, Mir Balaj Mari, whose picture is here, was martyred during the Musharraf regime. Some petty minds who I do not think are either Baloch or Sindhis are engaged in character assassination of martyrs like Balaj Mari and Ghulam Ahmad Baloch for reasons beyond our comprehension. I am sure no Baloch or Sindhi would forgive them. I am honored with the presence of a martyr's brother, Mehran Baloch. His father, Nawab Khair Bakhsh Mari, is our national father. As Nawab Mari is Baba Azadi, or the father of Baloch National Liberation Movement, and consistently and most steadfastly called for Balochistan's independence for 4 decades now. His elder brother, Mir Herbyar Mari, and also Mehran Baloch's brother-in-law, Brahmdag Bukti, are considered Balochistan's national heroes. Buktis and Maris, like the Mangals and Zeris and the Langos, are the nose of the Baloch people. My tributes to all the brave people of Balochistan. I'm especially delighted with the presence of Ms. Geneva Arif. We are very pleased to see her here. I'm also extremely happy with the consistent support of Dr. Charles Graves to give voice to the voiceless people of Balochistan. I've come from around Washington, D.C., and we have the American Friends of Balochistan, in which we have friends like Dr. Charles Graves, Ms. Geneva Arif, Seleg S. Harrison. He is a very prominent intellectual in the United States. We have other very active friends, Laurie Deemer, Sakura Saunders, and Bob Selle. And I'm pretty sure, you see, I count at least 10 very good American friends who are supporting the Baloch liberation movement. I'm pretty sure if the number goes to 50, Balochistan will be free. Also, I'm very indebted to the World Sindhi Congress, Rubina Sheikh. Theirs is a mission. World Sindhi Congress work is a mission, and that's not a business. I'm pleased she stayed back one day more. She cancelled a flight for London yesterday, and she's sitting next to her. Thank you very much.